Installing a new light switch sounds a little intimidating, but when you make the switch to the Philips Hue smart home lighting, you literally can do it in less than 30 minutes. I'm going to show you how, all thanks to Home Depot. Anything having to do with electrical really freaks me out because I don't feel very knowledgeable in that world, so it's a project that I don't typically like to tackle, but this guy is literally peel and stick, and I'm not kidding. When you open up the package, you can instantly see what you're in for. You got one light bulb and one dimmer switch in the manuals, of course. This bulb looks traditional. It has all the smart capabilities besides changing colors. You will have to get a different bulb for that. The dimmer switch is battery operated with adhesive already on the back for installation, so you don't have to go through the mess of the wires, and that's why I love this, because anybody can install this. Anytime that I am installing something new, I get very nervous. It involves a lot of tools or it's something out of my realm. This doesn't require any tools, so like I said, anybody can do it. We're going to start with the one bulb that was provided in the kit, and all you have to do is take your old bulb out, put the new bulb in, and then turn on your light switch, your wall switch that is physically attached to the light that you want to change to smart lighting. Pull the tab out of the bottom of the remote, and that is it. Now your lights are hooked up into your home. That easy. You can pair up to 10 of these light bulbs on one switch. Flip the mount to the back, and then you see those little peel strips. Peel the sticker off of it, and that was the hardest part of this whole thing for me. I got stuck on that. Peel it off and then place it wherever you'd like in the room. I can't even believe that you can have the freedom to do that, because typically you have to stay where it's wired. As far as adding another bulb, you do have to purchase them separately from the kit, but same process. You just take the old light bulb out, put the new one in, and then in fact you just walk over with the remote that is paired up with the room that you're adding the bulb to, and you just hold it on until it flickers, and then that means it's connected. A total side note and bonus, Paul is currently injured right now, and I have to say having a remote for the light versus having him get up and down to turn it off and making me nervous is so much better.
Romantic.
Now the only thing that I have to worry about is Paul turning off the light on me like he already does and stealing the light from me. Thank you so much to Home Depot for sponsoring today's video. I can't wait to share more smart home reviews for you guys, so be on the lookout. And if you want any of this product, I have also linked it down below for you in the description box.